human ear, auditory parts of the human ear. So the human ear is divided into main three parts. One is outer ear, then middle ear, and inner ear. The outer ear contains three parts or divided into three parts. One is pinna, auditory canal, eardrum. The middle ear, again there are the three bones: hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Inner ear contains two: cochlea and auditory nerve. These are the main parts of the human ear. As you can see here, it is outer. This is this outer ear, and it is called the pinna. This outer part, which is visible from the outside, it is called pinna, and this canal like structure, this is called ear canal, and this is, here it is, eardrum. Then in the green color, there are the three bones, and this is form middle ear. And after there is a you can say spiral type structure. This structure is called the cochlea, or it forms the inner ear. Here it is now that goes to the brain, means it sends all the signals to the brain, and it forms the inner ear. Now, what are the various functions of each part? So let we discuss it one by one. Here it is. First is outer ear. Outer ear, as discussed, it outer ear is made up of the three parts or divided into the three parts. One is pinna, second is auditory canal, and third is eardrum. Pinna is, it collects all the sounds from the surroundings. As you know, pinna, it is the outer structure. It is easily visible from the outside, and it helps to collect the sounds. And when it collects all the sounds, then it sends to through the ear canal, and all that collected sound moves through this canal and strike to the eardrum. Eardrum is the, you can say, it is the in the last of the ear canal. And ear canal, eardrum is just like a membrane, and all the sounds when falls on the strike on the that membrane, they, that eardrum starts vibrate, and when it vibrates, then that vibrations pass to the middle ear. So this is the function of the function of the outer ear. Outer ear contains the three parts: pinna, auditory canal, eardrum. And function of the pinna is it collects all the sounds from the surroundings, and that sound passes through the auditory canal and towards the eardrum, and falls on the eardrum. Eardrum is a membrane, a very delicate membrane, and that membrane starts to vibrate. Now what happens at the eardrum, means when eardrum is sound is falls on the eardrum, then what happens, or how it passes that sound to the middle ear. When that sound is falls on the eardrum starts to vibrate in the form of compressions and rarefactions. Then compressions reaches eardrum, and it moves inward. When, means when there is a region of the high pressure, compression it forms, and that eardrum starts to move inward. And when there is a rarefaction, that due to that rarefaction, that eardrum starts to move outward, and due to that its vibrations is produced in the eardrum, and that vibrations will pass to the middle ear. Now in the middle ear, eardrum vibrations amplified by the middle ear, means the sound collected by the outer ear, or that that eardrum starts vibrations, and that vibrations pass to the middle ear, and due to the middle ear, that vibrations amplified due to the three bones. There are the three bones is hammer, anvil, and stirrup. They together forms the middle ear, and it causes the amplification. That three bonds cause the amplification, means amplified that vibrations. And after that there is a inner ear. There are the two parts. One is the cochlea and the auditory nerve. The cochlea is a spiral path, and when sound is moved in that spiral path, that the pressure vibrations converted into the electrical signals, and that signals are sent to the brain through the auditory nerve. This is a function of the inner ear. In the inner ear there is a cochlea, one part, and another part is the auditory nerve, and through these two parts that pressure vibrations converted into the electrical signals and passes to the brain. So next is, this is all about the function of the human ear. So we must know how to protect our ears. So there are, I listing here some points how what to do and what not to do. So don't listen to music too loud for too long. Means we have to listen music a very soft music, you can say, or not for the long time. Don't use earbud styles, headphones if possible. If possible, then don't use the some earbud type headphones. You can use one headphones that is of the type of muff. The name is a muff type headphones you have to use. Don't use some sharp objects or hard objects like pen to clean your ears. It means don't put some this type of like pen or pencil, like hard objects in your ear. Always use earbuds to clean your ears. Thank you.